So at this moment, you can grab yourself a cup of coffee lang. But first, let me introduce you our name. Siyempre, partner, umpisahan ko na. Eyes on me, guys.
So, hi, my name is Ailey Joanna Joseph. My program is Bachelor of Arts in Multimedia Studies.
Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat, mga isko at mga iska. Ako si A446067. Otherwise known as dapat may student number ba kayo? Wala pa? Wala pa.
Being a media practitioner, since I am really interested in journalism po.
Idol sabihin sa'yo? Or magbabago yan in time?
Kasi may prizes kami. Oo, di ba? So, wala pa. Malay niyo si ano yan? Ako, di ba?
And I'm JJ naman, the Undersecretary General for Internal Affairs. Yan, sige, search muna. Pero,
The event lasts for 3 days.
give a brief background of how providing to our candidates, to potential candidates, very telling student leadership and empowerment.
Gawin niyo yung sa sarili niyo, huwag yung sa crush na.
Nah, I don't wanna be like you. I just wanna be like me. I don't wanna be like you. I just wanna be like me. I don't wanna be like you. I just wanna be like me. I don't.
Hey, bestie! So, kumusta naman kayo today? The pandemic, but it was very normal. Today, for this year's Dubai Esports Festival from Assembly, Bloom Esports.
Mabuhay ang mga freshies! Hello? So, places na guys. The one and only, there is a dawn ng bayan. At I believe in the saying, the more the babies, the better the manifestation.